Grabbed the metal detector and the kayak and headed to some shorelines. Had a killer day of finding treasure. First find was an Indian head penny. Second find was a large cent, minted from 1793 to 1857, 1800s flat button. Rude. Great seal button. This is the largest one I've found. Another large copper, this one a matron head, no date. Fancy cuff link 1800s. My buddy Jason had a killer day with for silvers, first being this cap bust dime. Next was a Spanish 1/2 real. Cut silver, couldn't identify, either a dime or 1/2 real. Beautiful 1850